Well, hello everyone who's an Epever user. If you've had a problem like I have, frustrated with trying to figure out the software, this might be a video that could help you out, because I couldn't find one on their site that dealt with this or get any help from the seller that sold this to me. And basically what it is setting the charge parameters for your battery. Well, when I first opened up the software and decided to set everything, they gave you a choice of what type of battery you're using, and I chose flooded because that's what I'm using. Well, in flooded, you look down at the parameters here and they're all faded out. You can't make any adjustments on them. So I'm pulling my hair. I try to figure out what the heck's going on here. Why can't I do any adjustments on this? And I got to the point where I contacted the seller. Said, "Look, man, I can't deal with this. I want to send the thing back." But he tried to help out the best he can, and actually I ended up finding out on my own what the heck the problem was. And here it is. Under the type of battery, you select user. I don't know why I didn't notice this long before this, but anyways, there it is. Once you open up user, there's all your parameters opened up where you can set them to whatever you want. So that takes care of that problem. The only thing other I would say about this is on the equalization. You can adjust the amount of time for equalization, but really they should have a setting in here for the frequency. How often you want to have it done, like once a day, once every couple times a week, once a week, once a month, whatever. And they don't have that. So I'm a little disappointed in that. But for the price you're paying, which is, I paid about $350 for this thing, compared to a Victron, it's a steal. So you don't get all the parameters you could have if you had a Victron, but this I've had hooked up for a month, and even though the parameters weren't set where I would have liked them at, it did a fine job charging my batteries up and keeping them charged. So I don't have any complaints about the unit itself. It seems to be doing a good job. And I guess I could say I could recommend it if anybody is looking for a good, cheap charge controller. So anyways, I guess that's it. And that's the end of this video. See y'all later.